you love yourself, you only speak good about yourself, and you set clear boundaries so that you can step into your power. So then, hey guys, welcome back. It's so good to see you again. So today I have something very special for you, because yesterday I just couldn't sleep at all and I got this huge download, so I have to share it with you guys. Okay, so I actually wrote it down in my notes because it's so much. Let's get into it. Okay, as you see in the title, it's about bullies. Okay, why did I choose this title? I chose this title because, well, you cannot only be love and light, so you also need to step into your power and begin to be dark. Yes, I know that sounds crazy and mean, and you need to step into your dark feminine energy. Okay, what is it? If you're in your dark feminine energy, you don't take any BS, you don't take any shit. And for this, you first of all, step one, you need to heal yourself. This can be as simple as setting the intention that you want to heal, and you just say in your head like, I want to heal myself, or I give myself time to heal, and that's it. Step two is you begin affirming positive words. So you really need to reprogram your whole mind if you want to step into your power fully and fight back your bullies, because it's a war. It's a war in your mind, it's a spiritual war, and only if you can fight the demons in the real world, you can also fight them in the spiritual world. Step 3. Set boundaries. So how do you do this? Most easily, you set them boundaries right at the start. Before even anything could happen, you just say, hey, this and this is my boundary, and you leave it like that. And then you can engage in whatever conversation, or I don't know what it is that you want to make clear on the beginning, because if it happens, it's too late, and then you gotta fight back, because you cannot let shit slide. We cannot let anything slide. So, step 4, these boundaries will make you confident, because step 5 is, with boundaries there comes also limited access. Step 5 is cutting off the toxic people completely. You do not try after a couple of years, no, to see if they change. They don't change. You just leave them where they are. Step 6. This is like the final step. It's stepping into your dark feminine energy. First, you have to complete all these steps anyways. You will be lost in the same cycle again, and you cannot step into your power if you don't rule over these steps. You first have to make sure you love yourself, you only speak good about yourself, and you set clear boundaries so that you can step into your power. So then, what happens next is be revengeful. I mean, like, not literally, but you just have to beat bullies at their own game. And yes, I know it kinda is like a contradiction, because you hear, oh, you need to be love and light, but you don't need to be all love and light, and you will not win like this. If you really want to step into your power, you can do like as a revenge. Just like, okay, so they are already insecure, you know, they are already losers, so you just can kind of pick at that. So you make sure you make it. What I do personally, I pick apart the insecurity, and I say, hey, you say this to me, so now, okay, I match the energy. So that's what I suggest doing, because you cannot let it slide. You cannot let it slide, but still keep it classy. But yeah, just dig at the insecurities, because they're already insecure if they're coming to you with this weird energy. Basically, you humiliate them back. And yeah, basically, you mock them for their behavior. So this also always hits the nerve. And yeah, you kinda can think about your own words, what you would do or say. I always just say, look in the mirror, because come on. And yeah, stop playing nice and start asserting dominance. And once you fully step into this dark feminine energy, you kind of also activate your black cat energy, and yeah, basically make them pay the price. Okay, we do not keep it like, oh, okay, like they need healing. No, we're gonna call them out on the spot, because this is your life and you call the shots. And stop letting these people walk all over you. They're already a loser, so yeah, make sure they never ever do that shit again. You have to be a villain. And also, like, why should you be afraid of them? They should be afraid of you.